Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are busy in the Diwali festival preparation. So today I'm going to share my idea of making Diwali card by using paper quilling. So there are very few requirements for making this card, and these are one sheet of paper which I have folded in this way in the form of a card, and another thing which you need is paper quillings, colorful paper quillings which you can get from the market. And whenever you are going to buy a quilling set, then you will get this quilling needle in that packet only. Okay, and the last thing which we need is a gum or fevicol, whatever you want. So let's get started. Okay, now first thing which I'm going to make this paper quilling is diya. Interesting. So we are going to make a paper quilling diya. I'm using quilling of maroon color, and you can also use maroon or whichever color you like, that you can use. Fine. So the first thing which we are going to do is we will take this needle. We will adjust this paper inside the needle in this way, and then we will start turning it around in this way. Okay, just move it around gently and give it support of your finger like this. See, okay, so just roll it down gently. Okay, so our base of our diya is ready, and now next task is to make the flame of this diya, and the flame we are going to make with yellow quilling. So we are going to use the same procedure which we have used when making the diya. We are going to fix it inside this needle, and then we are going to roll it. In this way we will roll. Very gently, and just give support of your finger so that upper and bottom side will be rolled down evenly. Okay, so by using the same method we will make 2 diyas. Okay, and the next task is to make some other decorative stuffs with the use of the same type of quilling. Now I'm going to use another color of quilling. You can use any quilling. I'm using this color, skin color quilling now. Okay, so we are going to follow the same step. Adjust it inside and roll it down, roll it down, roll it down. Don't use full length of quilling in rolling it down, because now we are not going to leave it loose. We will just going to use it as it is. And now I'm going to take it out from this needle. Before it, I'm just going to stick. So stick it properly and then just pull it off from this needle. Okay, so this is the small thing which we have made by using this quilling, and in this way we will make almost 10 these are small circles. Okay, and another thing which you are going to make is the flame which we have made, in the same shape you are going to make the different flame or drop shape quilling stuffs in this way. See, and I have already made. So now next task is to put each and everything very nicely on our card. Now our next task is to put these diyas on this card, and how we are going to do it? We are going to stick it by using Fevicol, and here as you can see I already put here Fevicol in the shape of diya so that our quilling get fixed on this card properly. Okay, so let's start. Very gently, just press little bit, and another one also. Yes, in this way. And now the turn to stick the flame. Just in the middle of it. Press it and it will get fixed very soon. Fine. So here your card is ready. Try it at home and give it to your friends and surprise your parents with this beautiful Diwali card. Goodbye. Enjoy your festival. Happy Diwali.